Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. So my son was trying to look for the Apple iPhone SE 2020 second edition, and I've been trying to look on the eBay or Amazon or other third-party app for sale. Most likely, a lot of them are trying to sell for 350 or more, or even 370 or 380. So with the Apple, they sell the unlocked version for 399 plus tax. So it's looking more than like 400 something bucks. So I was just browsing the other day, and then I came across this phone. It was $349 regular price, and somehow they ran a promotion rollback, and I got it for $249 plus tax. So, and I got two of them. So anyway, I'm just going to unbox one of them. So let's go ahead and then open this up and see what we got. By the way, this is locked to AT&T prepaid service. But I'm pretty sure this one you can use it with the Crooked Wireless. By the way, I can't believe it. I ordered yesterday, it came today. So it's take about only 1 day shipping. Wow, look at that. Although I'm not sure why they didn't put in a cardboard box. There's a little dent right there. So I'll be giving this to my son, since this box is kind of damaged on the corner right there. And this one's pretty perfect condition. And this one's the 64 gigabyte. So it says right here, AT&T prepaid. This phone must be activated on AT&T prepaid service and not for resale. So, but I already have AT&T, so I'm not reselling on this one. So I'm going to put the SIM card in there and test it out. Should be working. Oh, they taped it, or what's going on here? So here it is. Let's go ahead and open this up. Designed by Apple in California. Wow, look at that. Nice looking phone. Before I remove the plastic, I'm going to put a glass protector on there first. So yeah, he likes the Touch ID. Come with the two of the Apple sticker or logo. Oh, there's a SIM eject tool. Nice. And then welcome to iPhone. Wow, nice. Look at that, spanking new. There's the Apple logo right there. Well, you know the new iPhone 12, they're not gonna come with the charging brick anymore, okay? And no other accessory. So come with the data cable, and this one is the lightning charging for headphone that came with it. And it is 64 gigabyte. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in a comment down below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.